So I have my cookie crumbs in my bowl here, and then I'm going to pour some of my melted butter, and then I'm going to mix it together. So the idea is to have a crust, just to have the crumbs pretty wet where we can handle it. I don't want to have a dry crust. I don't want a dry crumbly crust at all. So I'm mixing all that together, and you see all these crumbs are literally wet. I'm mixing all the dry portions, and you can see all the crumbs are pretty damp. And this is what we want. This will help us form the cheesecake crust better. So I have a 8-inch springform pan here, and I'm just going to pour all of this in the bottom. I don't add sugar to my crusts. Typically a recipe would ask you to add a couple tablespoons of sugar, but I feel like there's already enough sugar in the cookies and in the filling. So I'm pressing the dough as hard as pressing the crust here as hard as I can, just to kind of press it tightly against the bottom. Okay, so I have my crust pressed really well against the sides of the pan here. I hope you can see that well. So it's going into the oven. Okay, everyone, here is the cheesecake crust. You can see it's baked, it's ready to be used. So that's how you make a cheesecake crust. I hope you guys try this recipe and enjoy it. Please do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching the Sugary Sweet, where we're making the world a little bit sweeter.